Hello everyone, so in this video I wanted to show you how to start a project. So one thing I know about these projects is that we kind of change the names a lot, so they might not match up perfectly. So we're going to try to upload the projects in the descriptions of the videos. Just make sure you check that, see what it is, just the names might change. I just wanted to let you all know that. Okay, so right now I am on my STAR Mentoring Program 2023 repository, and here I can see that we're forked from the Droid Rage STAR Mentoring repository, and I have some branches. Some of these are my own, some of them are old names. So first I'm going to navigate to the Droid Rage STAR Mentoring one, and you can see this one has the true list. So yours might perfectly match up to it or might be different. So let's say you want to get a project that's not on your list right here. The way you're going to do that is by going into here, you're going to click View All Branches, you're going to create a new branch, and you're going to clone it from the Droid Rage Star Mentoring and whatever project you want to do. So let's say we're doing the Kinematics initial project, and you're going to want to give your project the same name. So java/project/kinematics. Let me make sure I'm spelling this right. Kinematics initial. You don't have to give it the same name, but it's useful just to give it the same name so you don't get confused. And then you can create a new branch, and now you'll see that this new branch now shows up. Now this wasn't a great example because this one doesn't show anything in here, but let's say I'd done the same thing for the motor one. You could see it worked right here for this one because I now have this FRC folder and I have the motor and sleep ones in here, and those are necessary resources for this project. For the other project, it didn't have those things included, but it didn't have anything included with it, but this one does. So let's say I'd done that one, I'd get all the project resources I needed. Okay, so now once you have your branch right here, you're going to want to go into your code editor. So I'm going to be using code spaces in this example. You're going to want to open up your code editor, and mine's going to have some stuff in it, so just ignore that. I'm just going to go like this. So we're going to go to source control in your code editor, and you can ignore the things that are right there. And go to your branch right here, and you're going to say checkout right here, checkout to. I didn't actually click anything, by the way. And you're going to want to pick which branch you want to do. So let's say I wanted the motor branch. And then right now it's saying your local changes will be overridden because you can see I have uncommitted changes. You could stash them, and this is going to be in the GitHub or the Git series. I'll explain what some of these things are, but as of right now I haven't actually made that series. So for now I'm going to want to discard my changes to my file. Or you could commit them, that's another option you have. But basically you can't have any changes in here when you check out. So now I'm going to change to the motor branch, and I've now checked out, and you can see I now have this FTC folder. I did not have this before. So if I want to go back to my main, I could check out to main, and you can see it's gone. So that's how you can do this to start your repository. It's going to probably be different in your different code editors. Just hopefully I will make videos using whatever code editor you happen to be using. This is just how to do it in Visual Studio Code based ones, but most of this tutorial still applies to anyone no matter what code editor you're using. So I hope you found this useful for following your projects and doing those projects. And thank you very much. Make sure you commit your changes, and happy coding. Good luck, everyone.